Keep your new handle looking new by making a simple weekly care habit part of your routine. Handles that stay looking fresh combine good cleaning, gentle products, and occasional inspection. Start by wiping the handle with a soft microfiber cloth dampened with warm water and a mild, pH-neutral dish soap. Rub along the grain or contour to lift oils and grime without scratching. For finishes that are polished or plated, dry the handle immediately after wiping to prevent water spots and mineral buildup. Avoid abrasive pads, bleach, ammonia, or high alcohol cleaners because they strip protective coatings and dull finishes. If a stronger cleaner is required, test it on an inconspicuous spot first. If the handle has a clear lacquer or varnish, use only products labeled safe for lacquered surfaces or plain water and soap to avoid chemical reactions that cause clouding. For solid brass or copper that develops a patina you do not want, gently polish with a non-abrasive metal polish following the manufacturer instructions, then apply a thin coat of carnauba wax or a silicone-free protectant to slow retarnishing. Finally, inspect the handle monthly for finish lift, pitting, or loosening. Tighten mounting screws and replace the handle if the finish has deep corrosion or structural damage that cleaning cannot correct. Common mistakes include using harsh cleaners that remove protective coatings and accelerate wear, and the fix is to switch to mild soap and water and reserve stronger products only after testing. Another issue is leaving moisture on handles, which leads to water spots and corrosion, and the concise remedy is to always dry handles immediately after cleaning or after exposure to water. People also often neglect hardware mounting checks, which can cause wear and finish damage from wobble, and the simple cure is to tighten screws periodically and replace worn fasteners before the handle becomes damaged beyond repair. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for maintenance and replacement work related to hardware and finishes, and we connect contractors with homeowners looking for specific skills. We also host a discussion community where we share care tips, ask for product recommendations, and exchange real-world advice about keeping handles and other fixtures looking new.